Afternoon, everybody. Quick update for you. We are on day 6 of Lori Vallow Daybell's trial, and the big question is she going to have any witnesses to call? That's what the judge talked about first thing this morning, is that some of her witnesses are getting subpoenas, some aren't. The judge wants to know if they've been served. Larry Woodcock apparently got a subpoena, and that was done inadvertently, but Lori Vallow Daybell's name was signed on it, so and the state brought that up, that Lori signed the subpoena. Why did she sign the subpoena if it was sent as an accident? And Lori responded that she just signed a stack of subpoenas. The judge told her she needs to be more careful. She can't just be doing stuff like that. So Larry Woodcock got a subpoena, Bobby Vallow got a subpoena. Those were both struck. Those aren't happening. But then there's other people on her witness list that haven't got subpoenas and can't be tracked down. And so the state of her witnesses are in flux. We will see what happens when the state rests. The judge reminded her that the state's resting on Thursday, maybe Monday at the latest. And then it's her turn. Then it's Lori's turn, and we'll see if she decides to call anybody, if she can call anybody other than herself. The cross-examination continued with Detective Cassandra Younglung. I think I'm saying her name right. I was told how to say it, and I put it in my phone. I will have it perfected by tonight. Lori went back and forth with her about whether she was advised that her police interview was being recorded at the police station. The detective said no, because it's a public place. There's no rights of the right of privacy is not expected at a police station. She went back and forth over her being notified about Charles's death in front of Tylee, but Lori already knew the fact that, you know, it had happened. And then I think that those were kind of the key points. We had to take a little bit of a break for a technical issue. We went back into court with Detective Ariel Werther. He's the guy who put together all the GPS data points of where Charles's phone went the morning of the shooting, when we presume Lori had the phone. The fact she went to Walgreens, it was kind of a funny moment. He said that he had originally been told it was CVS, so he went to 7 CVS locations. None of them had any record of Lori being there, or none of them had any indication that she had bought flip-flops. Well, once he got Charles's phone, he realized, oh, the phone actually went to a Walgreens. So instead of going over there, he actually called them. And they said, yeah, she was here. So he went, he got the data, he got the receipt from the flip-flops. The times matched up for Charles's phone versus their surveillance footage. He also went to the Burger King where Lori stopped and got the receipt there and the surveillance footage from there. He went to the True Hilton where Charles was staying and was able to get the receipt there. They searched his room, they seized his computer, all of his other personal information that was in there. And after lunch, PowerPoint is going to be shown in court, showing all of the activity of his phone, of Charles's device. So should be interesting as he lays it all out for the jurors and gets, lays out the GPS points and things like that. That's kind of a quick catch-up as far as what we have been doing here today. Just recorded a quick little hit with Dateline. They're going to have something coming out this week with the latest on the trial. And tonight we'll be back with Courtroom Insider to break it all down. Hope you can join me at 8 o'clock Mountain Time. That's 7 o'clock here in Arizona and Pacific Time. Seats were pretty full today. I think every seat, maybe 2 or 3 were empty. But other than that, a lot of people from different states are here. I met people from Utah, from Seattle, Arizona, of course, Idaho, and yeah, people are still interested. How you doing? Good. Good. Just doing a little live video here, waiting for my sandwich. Jimmy Jones's lunch today, everybody. Okay, so I'm gonna head inside. I'm gonna grab this lunch and stay tuned. Tonight we will have the latest. Hope you're watching. Appreciate your support. We'll see you. By the way, I apologize. This is a long story, but we got a brand new internet provider at East Idaho News before this trial that promised us no interruptions and incredible speeds and no tech issues, because I said we cannot have any interruptions with this video feed or anything. And guess what? Almost every day there's been an issue, especially today. And thank you for being patient with us. I'm told we've figured it out, so the feed should be good from here on out. But it's beyond our control. I will say too, the room where the camera is at the courthouse has the worst cell phone reception. It's like a black hole. So to feed the video out of there is a little bit complicated, a little bit challenging. So, okay, I think I'm good. I think I'm gonna get my sandwich. They're telling me that it's probably ready. So we'll see ya. Bye.